Let's check on our weather for the next few days for people headed out either to the Colts game or maybe to the golf tournament in Westfield this weekend. Victory Field, baseball going on as well. Hopefully we get more of this nice weather and put that rain behind us.
Just kind of looking at my notes here and trying to find out when the last time we had maybe 4 or 5 consecutive days of rain-free conditions. And, you know, honestly, you got to go back to maybe the earlier part of July. Well, we got the ball game in tonight, and what else did we have going on? There's a lot going on getting into this weekend, and we are going to get into some better weather here. It is an improved weather pattern. That doesn't mean we will not see some scattered showers around. In fact, we still have a few on the radar right now. Sun has been down for a little bit, so these are going to fade away. But we got baseball in tonight. We got a beautiful evening here in Lawrence there for the farmers market. We had our fun at Grand Park and here at Colts Camp. That's the final night there, 72 degrees, and it's amazing how quickly they can put up all of the tents and then move things out of here in Westfield. Nice evening as well. A couple of spotty showers. I see one little location here in northeastern Delaware County. You might even get a little flash of lightning, but did you see those cumulus clouds late in the day? They were absolutely striking, and some of them have been able to go on to produce a few isolated downpours. They're not going to be looking at the heaviest of the rain like we had last night. In fact, we kind of cut the timing off here. And this is essentially from about midnight on. You can see where the biggest rains were in the early morning hours. So last night we had waves of thunderstorms over north central Indiana. That all shifted south as the front went southbound. Picked up another 3/4 of an inch of rain officially since midnight. That brings our tally for the entire month to over 7 inches of rain. Now that's just Indianapolis. There have been areas that have had 13, 14 inches of rain all month long. And there are some of the numbers. You can see Muncie at 10.1, Shelbyville at 10.5. Hey, some areas had 7 inches of rain in just a matter of a couple of days. But that is the wettest August to date since 1980, and that ranks the 3rd wettest. We really need an extended spell of dry weather. And what we really need is a pattern shift, and that's what's in the works. At this hour, we've cooled to 77 degrees in Indianapolis. That's still pretty warm. Richmond is at 68, but the dew point numbers, they're going to continue to really ease up. They're not going to be in those mid to upper 70s like we were experiencing. That's what was fostering the heavy downpours. You got all of that tropical air, and then you're sending wave after wave of storm complexes through, and we just kept unloading the rainfall. Let's unload some of that humidity with a light northeast wind, and let's reload the mild air, and we will do so. Only a handful of little returns showing up on the radar tonight, but that's another front. And that's a cold front that will be permitted to get through the state again. So we've had one pass last night. We have another one coming in. And even though that may kick off an isolated storm or two, it's not going to be the big storms like you see here blowing up around the perimeter of that hot dome. We've been able to push that heat well off to the south and west, and the jet stream is digging into the eastern half of the nation. That will bring more of this milder air into central Indiana. One more front will be passing here likely Friday night into Saturday morning. Certainly possible. We could get a stray shower or a brief downpour in the Friday forecast, but it's not going to be widespread. And as we continue to deliver this milder air, by Saturday and Sunday, we've got ourselves a full-blown trough here in the northeastern U.S. That means mild weather and maybe a little unstable in the afternoon hours given the time of the year. See, typically that jet stream would be more running along the U.S.-Canadian border. We'd all be warm and not really much in the way of storms around. But because of that sharp dip into the eastern half of the nation, we'll start to plug in more of this milder air, and there's a potential that we could see a few afternoon showers on Saturday and Sunday. Moving ahead towards Friday morning, be prepared for some fog. Maybe a little thick in some spots early tomorrow morning. Be sure to check with us starting early in the day. As we get into the afternoon, there may be one of those little isolated downpours or a little shower that perks up when the clouds start to build. And then here comes this front that moves through Friday night. That's the front will deliver even milder weather, and we're going to continue with a below normal precipitation outlook. And even better is the 7 to 10 day outlook. These rainfall numbers are quite small. We've got some drier weather coming our way. Tonight, dry, but some fog forming and a low of 64 degrees. It may be a little thick to start the day. Spotty shower or two at 85 degrees for your Friday, but a better chance for some scattered afternoon showers on Saturday. High temperatures at September levels right through the weekend and some extended spells of dry time too.